Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about the advantage of ColorReady technology in Taylor Dynamic. We've used the ColorReady technology in a couple of our Taylor products, and as you can see with Taylor Dynamic, it starts out as a light mint green and then goes to this darker green. We spread this initial area about 30 to 45 minutes ago, and it's completely dry. So if you are installing a dry set flooring product, something that could be installed with a dry set PSA, you're able to go into it right now. As we spread the fresh adhesive, you'll see the stark difference in color from the fresh adhesive to the dry adhesive. That visual cue tells the installer that that flooring is ready to be installed. At Taylor, we developed ColorReady technology with the installer in mind. It's the adhesive that tells you when it's ready.